Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in previous class we have learned about how the traffic signs, traffic signals and road markings are there. Yes, how we can follow the rules and everything. With following the traffic signs only, where to move, when to move, yes, where not to move. We have learned in the previous class. In today's class we learn about different kinds of rules, children. What types of rules we have for particular uh, thing? We have some rules. We will see some situation. I will show you, children. We'll see how they are following the different kinds of rules or not. We will see, children. Yes, children, these are the situations, different kinds of rules. Situation for pedestrians. Neeta has to cross a busy road to reach the other side. A lot of vehicles are going from both the sides of the road. Which should she do? What should she do? Following which safety rule will help her? Yes, children, Neeta has to cross a busy road to reach the other side. A lot of vehicles are coming from the both the side. So what should she do? The pedestrian should cross the road from the zebra crossing and walk on the footpath. She can cross only on the footpath or on the zebra crossing. If lot of vehicles are there, she must go on a footpath, or else she won't wait till the traffic signs turn red so that she can cross in the zebra crossing. Neeta can do that. Next one, situation for a cyclist. Rahul has to ride his bicycle on the main road to reach the chemist shop nearby. Is there any he can use protect himself? What should he keep in mind while riding his bicycle? What should he should keep in mind, children? He should firstly, cyclists should wear helmets and never wave their arms while driving their vehicle. Yes, children, in the before situation we have read also in the previous class, we have read about like this: someone was waving the hand, the other who was driving the bicycle has also waved the hand. We have to not do so. We can he have to keep in mind that he have to wear a helmet, and also he should never wave arms while riding the bicycle. Next one, situation for driver. Akku has to drive his bus from outside a school and a hospital. What safety rules should he keep in mind? Which one should he follow? He should follow a driver rule. What he have to follow? Driver should wear their seat belt first of all. Not to talk in the mobile. Follow road signs and drive carefully. All of them should walk or drive on the left side. Okay. This is the third situation, children. Okay. Yes, children. See this: pedestrian, cyclist and driver. What they have to do? They have to do what is the pedestrian should do? Pedestrian should not walk on the footpath, children, and cross should not walk on the footpath and cross when the light turns red. They may be harmed by coming vehicles. Uh, Pedestrian should cross the road from the zebra crossing, should walk on the footpath. What the cyclist should do? Should wear a helmet, should not leave the handles while riding. What the driver should do? Driver should wear seat belt, should not talk on phone while driving, should drive on left side, should follow road signs. Yes, children. What causes accidents, children, if they are not following these rules? If they are not wearing the helmet, they are leaving their handles, they may cause uh, accidents. And if pedestrians are not crossing on footpath, and when they will have when the lights turn red, they may harm by any ongoing vehicle. The driver need to fasten the seat belt while driving. Yes, children, and follow the safety rules like slow down outside a school zone. Why do different people on the road follow different safety rules, children? See, they have pedestrians have different, cyclists different, and the driver different. Why it is different? People mainly are the driver or pedestrians or passengers or on the roads. The dangers are for each are different. Yes, children. A pedestrian may get hurt by vehicle, so he or she should be careful while walking only. A driver may hit by a car or a people, so he should be careful while driving. Rules for rules for all will be different. Yes, following a rule means for a driver will not help a pedestrian. We all need to look for the traffic signs and other road signs on the road, and should understand what they mean to follow, what they show, what the road signs has been shown. They have to see that and they have to follow the rules, children. Okay, everyone open your workbook, volume 3 workbook, page number 47. Write today's date, children. That is 10-2-2021. Yes, children. First bit. Write some rules that we should follow on road for our safety. You can write all these things in your own, children, but also I'm showing. Okay, the pedestrian should cross the road from the zebra crossing and walk on the footpath on side of the road. Cyclists should wear helmets and never wave their arms while driving their vehicle. Drivers should wear seat belt, not talk on mobile, follow the traffic signs and drive carefully. All of them should drive on left side. What can cause accidents on the road for following people? What can have to avoid road accidents? Now pedestrians, cyclists and drivers are there. How they have to avoid the accidents, we will see, children. If the pedestrian do not walk on the footpath and cross before the light turns red, they may by harmed by any coming vehicles. They should walk on the footpath on the side of the road. They should only cross the road when the traffic signal turn red. They have to cross the road when the traffic light turns red only, children. Now second one, cyclist. The cyclist can cause accidents if they remove their arms from the handle, means hands. They could wear helmet to protect themselves, avoid any accident. Third one, drivers. The drivers may cause accidents. He or she not looking for the roadside or traffic signal on the road. He or she need to fasten the seat belt while drivers for drivers protection. He or she should follow road signs like showing down outside a school zone. In case some students crossing the road and may get hurt if the car is coming too fast. This is too fast, children. T-O-2-F-A-S-T, fast. Okay. Third question. Write one rule that a cyclist will need to follow on the road but not a driver. Why? A cyclist will need to wear a helmet as a protection, but a driver does not need to do that while driving a vehicle. While driving a vehicle, a driver need to wear seat belt for protection. A cyclist does not have anything on the bicycle run like in a vehicle like a car. Bus he may like a car, but he may get hurt his or her on head if he falls down. Yes, children, this is about the workbook. First bit, second bit, and the third bit, children. Okay, complete the workbook. You have lot of workbook to complete in S3, children. Okay, I'm not giving the classwork, only complete the workbook.